Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to roll back your NVIDIA graphics driver, okay, on your Windows PC. It's very simple. The recent update, right, if it is not working properly and affecting the existing one, you can easily roll back. So in order to do that, right, what you need to do is open device manager, okay, on your Windows PC, device manager. Here go to display adapters and here right click, okay, go to properties, and here properties, right, go to driver, and here you can see this rollback driver. Okay, I'm going to click on that. So here I'm going to select the reason, okay, and then I'm going to give yes, or there something I'm mentioning, okay, and then giving yes. So the driver version you can see that is 32. So just given OK. I think it is rolling back. See the driver version, it's a 32 is the latest one. Also you can check on the game driver. Okay, under NVIDIA tab you can click on the drivers. Here you can see the latest one. So previously installed is 576.52 release. So here you can see the details. Installed game drivers is 572. Okay, so update is available 576.52. So this is the way you can roll back, okay, your graphics card drivers on your Windows PC. So if you want to install the latest one, you can install it. So that's it friends, hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you, bye, take care.